This short video shows how to properly position and secure the Nonin 8000j or 8000j WO2 pure light reusable flex sensor using disposable 8000 JFW FlexiWraps. The 8000J series flex sensors and 8000 JFW wraps are a two-part sensor product. The 8000J series sensors may be used multiple times for the same person, or used for another patient with proper cleaning and a new FlexiWrap. The 8000 JFW FlexiWrap is designed to secure the sensor in position on the finger without additional tape. Several sizes are offered for infant or neonate use as well. Watch the video for infant or neonate placement. The FlexiWrap is for single use only and should be removed from the sensor and discarded after each use. The 8000J sensor should only be secured with the 8000 JFW FlexiWrap. Other adhesives or tapes will not properly position the sensor and may cause damage to it. Each sensor has an emitter that projects a tuned light wave pattern through the arterial blood flowing in the finger, and a detector which receives that light. The heartbeat creates a signal detectable throughout the arteries. This signal is detected by the light waves and used for both measuring pulse rate and oxygen saturation in the arterial blood. The emitter and detector must be directly facing each other and secured to provide accurate measurement. The emitter should rest directly across from the detector. The 8000J and 8000J WO wrist OX2 sensors are designed for patients over 20 kilograms or 44 pounds in weight. They will fit fingers between 5 and 21 millimeters or 1/4 to 3/4 inch in thickness, measured at the center of the fingernail. Ensure the flex sensor size is appropriate for the patient. Refer to the instructions for use. 8000J series sensors are designed for use with a wide range of Nonin oximeters. Remember, Nonin sensors are designed for use with Nonin brand pulse oximeters only. Do not use Nonin brand sensors with other brand pulse oximetry devices, which may provide inaccurate results. 8000J WO2 sensors are specifically designed for the Nonin wrist OX2 oximeter with a shorter cable length and special connector. Wash and dry the hand where the sensor will be placed. Do not use on an arm with IV lines or a blood pressure cuff. Heavy lotions, sunscreens, oils, dirt, and fingernail polish or artificial nails may alter the accuracy of the sensor, so start with a clean, dry finger. The sensor may be placed on the index, ring, or middle finger. Place the flex sensor and a new FlexiWrap on a clean work surface. Make sure the sensor is clean and free from adhesive or debris from previous use. Partially peel back the adhesive backing tab on the FlexiWrap so the sensor area adhesive is exposed. Align the sensor emitter and detector skin contacting side up to fit in the cutouts on the wrap. Then, gently press the sensor into place on the wrap. The cable should extend beyond the wrap, supported by the adhesive and tab on the wrap. Remove the adhesive backing from the rest of the wrap. Next, place the finger over the emitter with the fingertip at the notch in the wrap. Put the fingertip to the middle, evenly spaced between the emitter and detector at the center mark. Press the adhesive flaps on the sides of the emitter onto the skin. Now, wrap the sensor on top of the finger. Press the adhesive flaps on the sides of the detector onto the nail and skin. Gently wrap the tab around the finger to overlap the emitter and secure the sensor to the finger. It's a good idea to secure the cable with medical tape on the back of the hand with a little slack for movement. This helps prevent pulling at the sensor site. Don't wrap the sensor or finger tape too snugly. Tight wrapping can restrict blood flow and affect sensor accuracy. You're ready to plug the sensor into the Nonin pulse oximeter to measure oxygen saturation and pulse rate. Nonin pulse oximeters have a pulse signal quality display that measures the sensor signal. If the signal is low, the emitter and detector may not be in proper alignment. Reposition the sensor to see if a stronger signal can be obtained. If repositioning does not increase the signal quality, try a different site or check that the patient's hand is warm, relaxed, and well perfused. Check the sensor position and connection every 6 to 8 hours or per your institutional policy. Also, check for skin irritation and loosening of the adhesive from movement over time. To remove the sensor, simply disconnect from the oximeter and reverse the direction of the tab wrap to gently remove from the finger. The same wrap may be reused on the same patient as long as the adhesive is intact. For a new patient, a new FlexiWrap must be used. Remove the Flex sensor from the FlexiWrap and discard the wrap. The Flex sensor can be cleaned for use with a different patient. To clean, you can wipe all patient contact surfaces of the sensor with a soft cloth dampened with a 10% bleach solution. Do not use caustic or ammonium chloride-based cleaners, which may damage the sensor elements. Do not sterilize, autoclave, or immerse the sensor in liquid of any kind. Do not pour or spray any liquids onto the sensor. Wipe away from the plug on the cable toward the sensor. Allow the sensor to completely dry and check that all adhesive from the previous use has been removed before the next application. You may rotate to other fingers on the patient to maintain skin integrity and patient comfort. You can find additional use information on this and other Nonin products at www.nonin.com.